Hello students, welcome to Religion 225. My name is Brother MacArthur. I'll be your instructor this summer, and I'm really excited to have you here. Thanks for taking a course right during the middle of the summer of 2020. And I trust, I hope, I pray that all of you are safe and well with the unique COVID summer and months that we've been having, and really glad that you're here and hope everything is well. I wanted to walk through you what's expected on week 1. I'll do it with week 1 and week 2, so that way you have a clear understanding of what's due and what's expected. You'll log into Canvas and you'll come here. Here's the home page. It says start right here. You'll click that. You'll start right there. And this shows you all the modules. We'll get started right here. But right now, one easy way to understand the course is this. You have assignments due every Wednesday at midnight and every Saturday at midnight. Those are the two due dates, okay? Wednesday midweek, midnight, Saturday midnight. So I'm going to click right here. We'll just start right here. You'll go through this little video to orientation to online learning. If this is you're new to online learning, I'm here to help you be successful. You want to go over the syllabus. Here's your resources, the grooming, dress and grooming. You can look at all that stuff there. And then you'll need to complete this week 1 quiz on readiness. So make sure you look at the syllabus and stuff. Don't skip it. But you'll do the quiz. You'll take that quiz. And then after you take the quiz, you go to the next. Then this is the course etiquette quiz. Read through this stuff and then take the survey. So you'll take those 2 quizzes. They're not hard. And then this is where it gets exciting. So every week you're going to personally study. You'll find quickly in this course it's heavy on the study. Please don't cheat it. Don't cheapen that experience either. You're taking a regular 13, 14 week course in 7 weeks. And what is cut out is some of the papers. What's not cut out is the study. So please don't cheapen that study, but you'll study this, and this one is due by Wednesday. So the first personal study, these are the things due every Wednesdays, or the personal study, okay? And you're going to watch these videos, and then here's what you're going to study on these different topics right here. So you'll click on these. These are the truths to ponder. These are your readings. You just click on those, and then and study those. Then you'll go to this one. Here's the truths. There's the scriptures. Here's the truths, there's the scriptures, here's the truths, there's the scriptures, there's the truths, there's the scriptures. So you can see, again, it's study intensive, all right? So you'll study those things, and then what you're going to do, well, this first week, normally you'll post some of your thoughts and feelings on what you study, but we'll come back to that in week 2. This first one is just post for you to get acquainted. So what you've got to do is you'll give a post about yourself. Look at these questions right here. And then you need to come back and respond to at least 3. All right, so after you make your initial post, then you need to respond to at least 3 other classmates. Okay? All right. And then you'll have a reflection paper. This is the other big thing that's due normally each week. Normally you have the personal study and then the reflection. So week 1 is a little flexible on some things, but then week 2 through week 7 is basically the same thing, and I'll come back to that on week 2 through 7. What you'll do on the reflection and synthesis is this. You're going to click on this document right here, and it's going to download a little file, and it's a template for you in Microsoft Word. So I'm opening this up right here, and this is the file that you'll do. So just go ahead and save it. Then you put your name in here. Week number will be week number 1. And then you're going to read through this and respond. So in 200 to 300 words, you're going to list at least 3 scriptures or events that you studied. Out of all those different things you studied, you're going to have to narrow it down to 3 things and explain why those helped you understand the doctrines in the article of faith. So you're going to give your response here and include the word count. If you don't include the word count, you will be docked. If you go under 200, you'll be docked. If you go over 300, you'll be docked. I know that's crazy. You're like, wait, what's going on? But check it out. It's a reflection and synthesis. All right, it's easy to talk and talk and talk. it's hard to synthesize. So do that right there. And then you're going to come right here. You'll read through this. And this week, you're going to choose one of these topics and write in 150 to 300 words about why this is important to explore. All right? Read through this again. Just write it all right here. Okay? And then put your word count in there. Don't miss the word count there either. Then you'll save that, and then you'll upload that document. You'll come back here, and you'll... oh, I missed the upload. So you'll upload that document. Oh, right here, you'll hit Submit Assignment. And maybe because I'm the teacher, Submit Assignment, Upload File right there. Choose File, go get it. And if I go Choose File, anyway, you know how that works. Submit Assignment, choose the file, and Submit Assignment. Okay? So that's week 1. You're going to see these, leave page, these, when you see the Q&A support form, that's really for if you have any generic questions. Not so much questions about, what you're studying that week, but just generic questions. So that's really what you've got to complete. And hang on. Well, oops, that's moving into week 2. So we'll come back to that. So and then you'll complete a weekly report where you'll just, share about what you did for that week. Well, wait. The weekly report doesn't start till week 2. So that's what you do on week 1. So basically what's due, you have your personal study, you have the getting acquainted discussion where you post about yourself. You've got the 2 quizzes on course etiquette, course readiness, and you have your reflection paper on what you studied. That's all you got to do for week 1. Okay? And make sure you get those done by Wednesday, July 29th or Saturday, August 1st. And then I'll post another one for what you do for week 2. I highly recommend you watching this and week 2's. It'll save you so much time. So students, I'm excited to have you in class. I'm here to help you succeed. If you do your work, I'll do my work to help you succeed. And this will help you draw closer to Jesus Christ and his gospel. It's fantastic to study the gospel, the restoration of the gospel of Jesus Christ through the lens of the articles of faith. You probably memorized the articles of faith when you were in primary. Maybe you're a recent convert and you never did. But to look at the restoration through the lens of the articles of faith is incredible. So have a fantastic semester. Thanks for being here.